examples related to the Poisson distribution. The very first example what we will be discussing is, if 3% of electric bulbs manufactured by a company are defective, then find the probability that in sample of 100 bulbs, exactly 2, more than 5, at most 2, between 1 and 3 will be defective. Now see, in the examples related to this Poisson variate, we have talked that number of telephone calls received at a particular telephone exchange can also be approximated to the Poisson distribution. Number of defective articles in a box of 200 units. So in general, when we try to apply, these are certain peculiar examples in which we apply the Poisson distribution. But it is not limited to this. In general, whenever I will see that number of trials or the total amount is very, very large, and as compared to that, the success rate is very, very negligible or small, in such cases, we will be applying the Poisson distribution. Now, in this case, 3% of electric bulbs manufactured are defective. 3% means 3 out of 100, right? Percent means out of 100. So 3% is the amount which is very, very less. Out of 100, it is 3% means it is 0.03. Means whatever will be the manufacturing process going on, in that only 0.03% or 0.03 bulbs will be defective. So as compared to the number of trials or the total quantity, the probability for getting a defective bulb is very, very negligible or very, very small. So in that case, or in that sense, I can say that yes, this is an example of the Poisson variate. And appropriately, we will be calculating for the probabilities which are asked, because defectiveness is nothing but our success which is to be determined in the problem. वैसे देखा जाए तो getting a bulb defective is a negative part, but for our problem or for our determination, it is the probability of a success for us, because that is only asked. Exactly 2, more than 5, at most 2, between 1 and 3 will be defective. Means I am interested in calculating the quantities which are giving you the answer for the defectiveness of the bulb which are manufactured. So what is probability of a success, that is a bulb to be defective? 3%. 3% means 3 upon 100. So what is n total over here? कितने bulbs में से आपको sample कितना दिया हुआ है? Sample of 100 bulbs. So I will have the number of bulbs, that is n, which is total quantity, or number of trials as n, which is 100. Probability P is 3%, means 3 upon 100. So lambda is required in the formula of the Poisson distribution, which is mean, denoted by mu. Mu is equal to lambda is equal to n into P. So n into P will be given by 3. 3 by 100 into 100, if you do, the answer comes out to be 3. So by Poisson distribution, probability at x equal to x is e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power x upon x factorial. This is the formula where x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So accordingly, I will be calculating the probability for the particular random variable what is asked. Now, what is the first quantity? Exactly 2. So I will be calculating the probability for x is equal to 2. Probability for x is equal to 2 means lambda अपना कितना आया हुआ है 3 and x will be substituted as 2. So e to the power minus 3 into 3 square upon 2 factorial. If you put this particular step into the calculator, your answer will be 0.224. Obviously, the answer for the probability for any kind of distribution should always be lesser than 1. More than 5. More than 5 means x is greater than 5. Now greater than 5 and total n kitna hai? Total n is 100. So if you are calculating the probability for x greater than 5, it will be x is equal to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to 100. And it will be very tedious task for me to do the calculation for 95 values of x. Rather, I will go in the reverse way. I think this particular concept or logic we have used earlier. When it is x greater than 5, strictly greater than 5. Strictly greater than 5 means x is equal to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to 100, which is very lengthy process and it is impossible for us to calculate. Reverse way means whatever is included in x greater than 5, that should be subtracted from 1 minus. So automatically we will be getting down the quantities. Complement वाला logic apply करेंगे. So 1 minus probability x less than equal to 5. X greater than 5 does not include 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because it is strictly greater than 5. It starts from 6. So it does not include the numbers which are belonging from 0 to 5. And only calculation of 5 to 6 numbers is very easy for me rather than 95 numbers ka calculation karna. So by logic of complement, 1 minus probability for x less than equal to 5 will obviously determine the value for probability x greater than 5. So probability for x less than equal to 5 means probability at x equal to 0 plus probability at x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know the value for lambda, you know the value for x, you have the substitution for e in the calculator itself inbuilt. Substitute and get the answer. After simplification, do that subtraction with 1 minus and you will be getting down the answer. So this answer also comes out to be in decimal, which is less than 1, which is seen less than 1. P at most 2. The other quantity what we are calculating is at most 2. At most 2 means highest value is 2. Means it is less than or equal to 2. इसके आगे या beyond नहीं जा पाएगा. So accordingly probability at x equal to 0 plus probability at x equal to 1 plus probability at x equal to 2. Only 3 values calculation you have to do. So probability for x equal to 0 plus x equal to 1 plus x equal to 2, that answer will be calculated. I think some of that portion x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2 is already included there. So all those steps will be repeated. That much portion you can take from the solution and we can easily get the answer. So probability for at most 2 will be 0.4232. Check the values. Either you can write it in the fraction or you can write it in the decimal, right? It is moreover advised to write it in the fraction, but sometimes if the calculator is showing you the values in the decimal and if you are getting it less than 1, there is no problem. Always validation of your answer will be from the range of the probability in which the answer lies. Probability between 1 and 3 means it is between 1 and 3 means 1, 2 and 3. So probability 1 less than equal to x less than equal to 3. So accordingly I will be calculating the values for probability x equal to 1, x equal to 2 and x equal to 3. See, between 1 and 3 आप बोलोगे that x will be strictly lying between 1 and strictly lying between 3. But you know that in probability calculation less inclusive in nature. I will be calculating it for x greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 3. Means both the extreme points are inclusive and therefore I will be writing down probability at x equal to 1 plus probability at x equal to 2 plus probability at x equal to 3. That answer should also come out as 0.5975, which will be surely less than 1 or less than or equal to 1. Now the other example is on an average a typist makes 2 mistakes per page. See, while typing a particular page, a complete page, only the typist is making or the how many errors are or mistakes are occurred, only 2 mistakes. So as compared to the number of words or phrases or the sentences typed on a page, as compared to that the mistakes are very negligible or the less. So accordingly I can approximate this particular problem to the Poisson distribution. On an average means lambda, which is mu. It makes how many mistakes per page? 2 mistakes. What is the probability that she will make 4 or more errors on a particular page? No errors on a page. Now lambda is on an average. Average is nothing but mu. Mu is nothing but lambda, which is 2. 4 or more errors. 4 or more errors means x is greater than equal to 4. Now मुझे बताइए greater than equal to 4 can be up to total number of words which are typed on a particular page, which I am not aware of that how many words she has typed on a particular page, because it may vary from sentences to sentences. So reverse calculation. Reverse calculation means logic of complement. X greater than 4 is not including what? Is not included in 0, 1, 2 and 3. So 1 minus probability x less than equal to 3 is nothing but the calculation for probability x greater than equal to 4. No errors on a page. No errors means zero error. So probability at x equal to 0 is nothing but the process of calculation for the no errors on a page. So this is how we will be calculating. Approximately these answers are also written in the decimals. You can verify. Formula is e to the power minus lambda into lambda to the power x upon x factorial. So here it is lambda is equal to 2. So e to the power minus 2, 2 to the power 0 upon 0 factorial. E to the power minus 2 means 1 upon e square, and that is what the answer is. Next problem, in a certain factory turning razor blades, razor blades means manufacturing razor blades, there is a small probability of 1 upon 500 of any blade to be defective. So a factory who is manufacturing or which is manufacturing razor blades, there is a probability of 1 upon 500 for any blade to be found defective. The blades are supplied in packets of 10. Use Poisson distribution to calculate approximate number of packets containing no defective, one defective, two defective blades in a consignment of 10,000 packets. This is given to you for 10 packets. You are asked for 10,000 packets, right? So accordingly the calculation will be done. Now what is probability for a blade to be defective? It is 1 upon 500. N is number of packets. In general, the blades are supplied in what kind of consignment or packets? In a packet or group of 10. So lambda is equal to n into p. N into p means 10 upon 500, which will be 1 upon 50, and 1 upon 50 will be 0.02. Whatever answer you will be calculating, that should be multiplied by 10,000, because this is supplied. 10,000 से multiply होगा कि 100 से multiply होगा कि 1000 से multiply होगा? You will be multiplying it by 10,000, because consignment जो है वो किसके लिए निकाला गया है? जो भी आंसर निकालना है वो आपको 10,000 के लिए निकालना है. ये जो सप्लाई है n, which is number of trials, it is to be done with the calculation of 10 packets, because defectiveness is obtained for the reference with the 10 packets of the razor blades what they are manufacturing or packing. So p is equal to 1 upon 500, n is equal to 10, lambda is equal to n into p. So lambda, which is average, which is mu, is calculated as 0.02. Probability at x equal to 0. Probability at x equal to 0 means e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power x upon x factorial. So probability at x equal to 0 means you will be substituting the value of x as 0. 0 factorial is 1. In the denominator it is 1. So your answer is 0.9802. But this is not the answer. It is to be multiplied by 10,000. आपको calculate क्या करना है? Approximate number of packets. So multiply that by 10,000 packets. So this will be 9802 packets, because 9802 packets will contain no defective blades in it. Probability at x equal to 1. It will be that many number of packets in which one defective blade can be found or can be obtained. It will be the probability 0.0196 multiplied by 10,000, which is 196. And lastly, two defective blades in a consignment. How many such consignments will be there? Such kind of consignments will be 2, which will be multiplied by 10,000, and you get the answer as 2. So in this particular case, you were asked not the probability, but rather approximate number of packets in which you can find these many defective blades. The last example, related to phone call between the hours 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. The average number of phone calls per minute coming into the switchboard of a company is 2.35. Average number of phone calls in a telephone exchange between 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. averagely is 2.35. Find the probability that during one particular minute there will be at the most two phone calls. Now these are coming per minute. So at which particular minute there can be at the most two phone calls, that we have to calculate. See, average number, whenever it is asked, average is nothing but mu, which is mean, which is lambda, and such kind of example will be falling under the Poisson distribution. One more thing, between 2 and 4 p.m. per minute, the phone calls are very less, right? So accordingly, if X denotes the number of phone calls per minute, it follows the Poisson distribution. Although we have mentioned the type of possibilities of the examples in the Poisson distribution, and one of them is a type of phone call or number of phone calls received in a telephone exchange or the switchboard. So this follows a Poisson distribution. Average, which is mean, is directly given. No need of number of trials and the probability of success, because lambda is directly provided. At the most two. At the most two means highest is 2. Probability at x is equal to, or probability at x less than equal to 2. That is at the most 2. So probability for x equal to x will be e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power x upon x factorial. X is taking the value 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. At the most 2 means probability at x is less than or equal to 2. Probability at x equal to 0 plus x equal to 1 plus x equal to 2. Appropriately you put the values, get the answer. Your answer will be 0.583, which is again less than 1, and this will be the required probability that a phone call at a particular minute, or on a particular minute there will be at the most two phone calls which are opted. The other example, 6 coins are tossed 2400 times. Using Poisson approximation, obtain the probability of getting 4 heads exactly x times. Now, when we toss a coin, what is the probability of getting a head and probability of getting a tail? It is 1/2. Equal probability of getting a head and equal probability of getting a tail. So how many times the heads are expected? Here, probability of getting 4 heads. So what is the probability of success here? Probability of success is half to the power 4. That is what it is expected. And how many times you have to calculate? X times. तो यहाँ पर particular value नहीं निकलेगा. It will be for x. Generalized formula for x. So what will be n into p? N into p will be the lambda, and 1/2 to the power 4 into 6. Now it will be 6 multiplied by 1 upon 2 to the power 4 कितना होता है? 2 to the power 4 is 16, right? 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. So 6 upon 16 means 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16. And this is how many times calculated? 2400 times. So if you calculate, it will be approximately the lambda, what is n into p, and accordingly you can simplify and get the answer. So this is x times only. The answer is to be calculated for the x times, and that is how we try to find out the answer. So this was all regarding the problems or the examples related to the Poisson distribution, which we